Hi everyone. You know me. Superman. Are you ready for, Simon says. Okay. Let's go. Simon says, bark like a dog. Simon says, meow like a cat. Simon says, bark like a dog. Simon says, meow like a cat. Bark like a dog. A cat. Simon says, bark like a dog. Simon says, tweet like a bird. Now bark. Woof woof. Simon says, meow like a cat. Simon says, sing like a bird. Like a chicken. Simon says, oink like a pig. Simon says, be a chicken. A pig. A dog. A cat. Okay, meow like a cat. Simon says, you are a cat. Simon says, you're a dog. Simon says, you're a pig. A bird. Simon says, be a chicken. A bird. Okay, now you are a duck. What sound does a duck make? Can you make a duck sound? Simon says, quack like a duck. Simon says, say goodbye. Goodbye kids. Excellent. Have a super duper day. Up, up and away.